Hello everybody, my name is Green and today I'm bored, so I'm just gonna do a weather forecast of what's gonna happen tonight. And right now it's okay. Oh crap! It's dang it! It's 7:20 right now. Okay, and tonight I looked on the weather and it's gonna have rain. Like you can tell. See, look outside. I can tell it's going to rain soon. Let me close it before anyone sees me. Okay, anyway. I can tell because I looked on the weather. Hold on a sec. Okay, so let me load up the weather. Let's wait. Okay, it says it. Dang it, why is it? Okay. Right here. It's gonna thunderstorm. Says it. So I can tell. So yeah. Well, I do like a lot, for some reason, I like to do a lot of unusual stuff while it's rainstorming. Like, oh my gosh, did you just hear that? Yeah, just continue. Okay. I'm hearing it again. So anyway, yeah, I do a lot of unusual stuff during rainy days. Like, I love the rain because when it rains, like, I like to watch the raindrops. I like weather and stuff like that. And I like rain the most. I don't know why. I just do. Wait, I want to take a few looks outside. It could probably be raining right now. Oh crap, it's dark outside. See it? I can tell it's gonna be really thunderstorm. It's not. Fell the bomb. I ruined it. Okay, well, like a few years ago when I was going to the 6th grade. Dang, it's really right now. Well, there was this big thunderstorm in the middle of the night, and the electricity went out, and it was on, and the storm was there for a few hours, and I couldn't, and I didn't get some sleep at all. And then it stopped. Oh yeah, and I remember another thunderstorm during the school year in April. I had to wake up at 5 in the morning because there was a severe tornado warning around my area. So my family had to wake up really early. I was so stressed. So yeah, I had to take cover in the closet. I thought the thunderstorm was gonna hit our house for real, but luckily it did. It's getting really dark. Let me move it. Let's move the camera. So yeah, it was a weird experience. And one time during school, we were in class, and then the electricity went out for a few seconds, and then it went back on again. It was so weird. So yeah, it was like that in the 6th grade. So yeah, look right now. So yeah. And Grandy, what are you doing? I'm doing a video, and plus you just ruined it. Oh, sorry YouTube, but can I still be in it? Oh, sure you can. Yay! Ow. Sorry. Oh my god, look, it's starting to rain right now. See it? Oh yeah, I see it. I see those raindrops outside. Hey Bubbles, you know what? What is it? I think I just love to watch the raindrops And I like to watch it fall from the sky, and yeah. See? I love it watching it fall. Oh yeah, I can hear it right now. Yeah, me too. So yeah. And it's a very likely chance it's gonna rain out, but sometimes for some reason it doesn't because of the clouds, and yeah. I see some raindrops right now. It's like it's raining. Oh, for real! What the hell? Did you just hear that? Yes, I know I heard that. That's cool. That means we get to watch it. Do you want someone else to watch it? Oh, sure. Let's just get some people, okay? Okay. I'll see you later. Wow, she's like a good friend, but she can be weird sometimes. Who do we talk about? Bubbles! Duh! You know who Bubbles is. For Powerpuff Girls. Oh yeah. Just don't screw it up, Sarah, okay? Just continue. Okay. Don't you love watching the raindrops? Yeah, I do. I know, just shut up! Okay. Gee, man. Oh, we're here. Okay, so Bubbles wants y'all to watch the rain and stuff. So yeah, you like it? Oh yeah, I like it too. So what do you like about it? Well, it's like evaporation. Yes, Skate. We already know that. Let's go. I'm watch. It's already starting to rain already. Wow, so cool. I wonder what it's gonna be like tonight. I just like to hear the raindrops while I'm sleeping. So yeah. So what do you want to do? Let's get a picture. Wait, does anyone have an iPhone? Oh yes, we do right there. Okay, let's turn that on. Hey Green, what the actual hell do you want to do with that phone? We can get a let's get a picture of us all, like the crew. Okay, let's do that. Man, this is so slow. It's cause it's an iPhone 3. The iPhone 3 is the old phone. See, look at us. I look stupid. No, Candy, you don't look stupid. Yes, I do. See, look at me. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of cropped out. My other ponytail's cropped out the picture. Oh. Next time, can you take better pictures? Of course, Green Tea. Why not? Good. So what do you think of it? Let's do a couple selfies. Okay, let's do that.
When Jason's at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get...
Well, that was actually quite fun, actually. Yeah, I know. Even though of the rain. Yeah, we know. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we see you again soon. Bye!